Hi! Mutual funds are usually classified into bond funds, or ito yung fixed income. Funds that invest in government stocks. So, ito yung ini-invest natin sa mga government securities. And second, stocks or equity. Ito naman yung mga ini-invest sa mga variety of stocks and equities. And yung pangatlo, yung balance. Combines profitability of equity investment and the stability of fixed income instruments. A mutual fund allows the average person to have equal investment opportunities with the wealthy. You can earn what the wealthy are earning through mutual fund. So, ano pang hinihintay mo? Tara, join ka sa aming community at simulan nating matuto. Huwag kalimutan, follow me for more. Message mo lang ako kung gusto mo mag-guide sa mga investment vehicle na